Hi guys, welcome back to Warthog Defense. I'm Seth. While Ukrainians are waiting for much needed ammunition and supplies from the West, they are turning to the greatest supplier of weapons, and believe it or not, we are talking about Russia. Specifically, if West has supplied Ukraine with several hundred tanks, Ukrainian forces have seized more than 1,500 tanks from Russia. Now, we have another example of a Russian T-72 changing hands.
Boys from the 3rd Assault Brigade stole a Russian tank near Avdiivka. The 3rd in the Koksokim area noticed an abandoned Russian T-72 and decided that such a good should not be lost. They brought a Brem Pantsir-S II, based on the chassis of the German Leopard, and evacuated the tank. They said that it was a little eye-catching when a KA-52 began working nearby. Fortunately, everything ended with a successful trophy. They mined the road once the job done.
Да, свежий. Вон! Сейчас, есть время. Вона запустила, значить вона пішла на розворот, у нас є время. Он на видейке стоит.
Indian citizens are forced to fight for Russia in Ukraine. 7 Indians would come to Russia to celebrate the new year at the end of December 2023. Then, according to them, a travel agent suggested they also visit Belarus, which they accepted. When they arrived in Belarus, the agent asked them for visa money and disappeared. They were later arrested by the police and handed over to the Rashists, who forced them to sign some documents. Since these documents were in Russian, Indian citizens did not understand their contents. They were told that the alternative to military service in the Russian army could be imprisonment for 10 years. And now they are forced to fight. Interesting, no one was expecting that when the weapon is invented. American grenade M67 against the Russian tank T-80 BVM. A set of 20 prepared FPV drones at a Ukrainian position, a minimum that each FPV unit must have ready ahead of the enemy assault. Footage from Butusovsensor.net, drones produced by Wild Hornets. A brawl between migrants occurred in Moscow. There are several million migrants in Moscow, mostly from, largely, Muslim Central Asia. Internal tensions in Russia are far greater than what is realized. Former Army General and current President of Czechia, Petr Pavel, stated today that he is in support of discussions within NATO and with other European countries about a coalition of the willing, which would provide Ukraine with anything that it needs to defeat Russia, including the deployment of NATO troops into Ukraine in a non-combatant role. NATO forces crossed the Vistula River at Korzeniwo in Poland as part of the Defense Alliance's Exercise Dragon 24, involving around 4,500 soldiers and almost 1,000 vehicles. Dragon 24 is itself part of Exercise Steadfast Defender 24, NATO's largest military exercise since the Cold War, which is designed to test its defenses in the face of Russia's war on Ukraine. Russian propagandist Solovyev visited Syria. He interviewed Bashar al-Assad there. Solovyev's Telegram channel. They discussed that both Russia and Hamas acted out of self-defense, and the invasion of the neighboring state allowed Russia to avoid encirclement from the south. Assad believes that Russia and Hamas are similar in this, as both oppose aggressors, represented by the West. Assad told Solovyev about Russia's 300 years confrontation with the West.
Например, у вас история трехвекового противоборства с Западом. Но не по какой-то причине, а просто потому, что Россия не должна быть сильнее Запада со времен Петра Великого. Легко подрастающему поколению сказать, что это история, в которой нет для него пользы. Неинтересно, что случилось в прошлом во времена Советского Союза или Российской империи, начиная с Петра Великого. Молодые поколения могут забыть, что их страну преследовали, будут жить расслабленно, и внезапно Запад сможет подчинить их. Подчинение может быть в виде неолиберализма, например. Президент Путин неоднократно говорил об этом. Неолиберализм не связан с ценностными ориентирами. Он направлен на разрушение основ общества. Если семья в России крепкая, то и вся страна будет крепкая. Разрушите семью, и страна не будет крепкой. Зачем идти на войну? Зачем обращаться в Совет Безопасности ООН, если можно разрушить Россию изнутри? Это уже пытались сделать у вас в 90-е, когда некоторые думали, что проблема России в коммунизме или социализме. Нет, проблемы были в управленческих ошибках. Коммунизм или социализм есть в Китае, но это здоровое государство. В то время народ не сознавал полностью угрозы. Государство же не смогло осуществить свои функции. Это привело к распаду Советского Союза. Это важный урок. Его надо учитывать. Тогда мы этими знаниями сможем противостоять сказкам западников, которые распространяют истории, основанные на лжи, в то время как наши слова несут правду. Правда сильнее лжи. Ложь имеет силу временную. Правда вечна.
Thanks for watching, guys. Stay with Warthog Defense. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.